你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is Chinese ginger tea. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 2 ounces ginger root, skin removed, thinly sliced. 2 cups water. 2 tablespoons sugar. You can use any sweetener of your preference, such as honey. You can also adjust the amount of sweetener based on your personal taste. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 400 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or a gas stove. I am adding the ginger slice and the water to boil for 5 minutes. After it starts boiling, it takes about 3 minutes to come to a boil. It's been 5 minutes since it started boiling. I just turned off the heat. We're going to drain the liquid into a cup, stir in sugar or sweetener of your preference. Drink hot.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.